Okay, so my name is Prachi. I am Parth Anand.
And I like punishing people with puns.
Hi.
Namaste.
Hi.
Hi. Hello everyone. My name is Padmini Tanya Barik.
बहुत सुशील हूँ सर, बहुत सुशील हूँ. So I think I ended up romancing with the girls only.
मेरा नाम राहुल है, नाम तो सुना ही होगा.
But in general the culture around NIFT, I think people are very amiable, like lots of hugs and lots of kisses.
I'm Simran Pukulangra and I have just graduated.
मेरा नाम शाइनी है. I'm Ananya. So yeah, अगर मैं ऐसा randomly किसी को kiss किया, so just ignore. FC journey has been a roller coaster.
निफ्ट नहीं आता अभी तो तारीख पे तारीख कर रहा होता.
NIFT was actually a dream for me. I never thought my khandan would agree for coming to NIFT.
I started as an artist and then I ended up being a designer.
The first high I did at the gate today just made everything come back, and it's like things have never changed.
अगर आपको मुझे पहचानना है, शशि कौन है? So look at my eyebrows.
In most of the classes, people thought I was working, but I was actually had like Netflix on and watching a lot of shows.
मैं कॉलेज में पढ़ाई कब करती थी?
I'm more of this person who's like, you know, jack of all, master of none.
And I love, what do I love?
I like to do my own hair. So before this, it was pink. Before that, it was blue. Before that, it was a darker shade of green.
यार मैं बहुत ही boring इंसान हूँ, trust me. मुझे काफी लोगों ने बोला है, शशि तू ऐसी क्यों है?
When I stepped my foot into NIFT Delhi, I felt like I was in a minion movie. People are talking in Hindi. I could understand nothing. Okay, literally.
तूने उल्टा पकड़ा क्या?
Camera rolling for Prachi. Hello.
Don't cut, we'll just get into the frame and say kuchi kuchi kuchi.